Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be doing our day trading recap for September 18th, FOMC day. So to get straight into it, we had no ranges created on the QQQs or SPYs. So what this means is we don't really have a key bias for the day. Obviously there's reasons to have other bias, but the A-star setup, if we're really trying to take the lowest risk, highest probability trades, is there was no setup today. And again, that's why we said, so on small accounts, you just wouldn't even take the risk. But we will have a trade through FOMC, which we'll go through after. But again, we did post these. We expect gaps to fill on NQs. We can use news to retest on entries. When we say that, we have news up here from yesterday. That was retail sales. You sometimes come for a retest before coming down to fill these lower gaps. In the case of today, we just came straight down to fill these gaps. And again, that's why we can always trade that. But again, only on the smaller accounts because it's not an A-star setup. And again, just to quickly show you that, so again, that's if we go over to the NQ futures, that was the main focus, that's what had the key gaps on. If we zoom out, what happened, we had these pre-market gaps filled. There we go, that is the main trade. Again, not the A-star setups, but probably like a B plus to come and try and fill these gaps. You do fill the majority of the gaps the day they created. Now, this is where FOMC has started to move. How are we trading that? Again, if we go over to the Discord, game plan. So again, 3 minutes before the release, just said my game plan for the release is see if any options drop to kind of 50 to 75% on the release, so the first few minutes. If so, we look to buy, and then we target a minimum of a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So that's what we look for, and again, that did work out great. We'll go through that. And again, if you're in the other Discord, so again, we have 3 Discords in the description. We have my personal one at Lumley Trading. We have Making Easy Money. That's where I'm in here with a few other YouTubers and trading analysts, and also Able, another company I'm with. So again, we did post it, and we did also go through the entries. So again, FOMC in 2 minutes, trade plan above, and then we put in our trade. We got in at a 0.4 average on the 470 puts. Told you where we got out, and again, if you holded them, how much they would run. So that's these contracts over here. Again, what was the trade plan? So again, it's all about where did the contracts open. That's here. What happened to the contracts? They fell, what did we say, 50 to 75%, which is this range here. What is a 75% decrease in price? A 40-cent entry. So our 40-cent entry was here. Then what happened on that move? A 170% spike. Again, the 200% from the lows, that's where that number came from. But from our entry, 170% on the move. But again, we're just looking more for the scalp because, again, well, this FOMC was different to most of the others we've experienced recently because it came in at a 50 basis point drop. And again, most people, the only bank predicting that was JP Morgan. All the others were predicting a 25 basis point drop. So as soon as I saw that number, I knew that it would have quite a move. And again, it would trade a bit differently to normal. So we wanted to be out of these or in and out of these trades a lot quicker. And again, that's why we kind of scalped it for just a 50% move. 100% move was a bulk of my trade. Again, kind of got in around that 40, 41. And kind of got out closer to 70-75, which was at that initial move there, which again around 60 to 80% on the options, depending more on your entry. So either or, though, a great trading opportunity. And again, the ones pre-market were all right setups. Again, B plus setups at best. Nothing I would risk on a small account. And then these FOMC trades, I don't think we've had a losing trade all year trading these. So again, they are quite quality setups. It's just executing them right. And again, you do have to let them have risk because we don't really want to stop on something like this. Again, you're risking $40 a contract. Again, if you're looking to trade that with, say, 3 contracts, you're risking $120. Are you happy to take on risking all of that to make an extra, say, $60 to $120? If so, then cool, take the trade. If not, don't take it. But that was the trade setup. And again, both worked great. Didn't take too much size with the NQ gaps ones, but again, really this was the main trade opportunity. We did take a bit of size with this, and that was quite the nice trade for the day. So hopefully tomorrow we come back, QQQs and SPY have some range for us to try trade, because again, they'll give us the A-star setups that we've been trading every day on this channel that you've been seeing. We've been having a lot of them recently, which has provided nice trades. None today, so no A-star setups, but hopefully we get them tomorrow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.